Good morning all. Today we are going to discuss about meaning and definition of research. All you must be knowing that research is a very important component in nursing. And to learn a research in nursing, we must know about the meaning of the research, definition of the research. So what is a research? You know, the word itself is a self-explanatory. What it says, research, search it again and again, means either you have to develop a new method, new product, new services, or you can have a refinement of the nursing research. When we are talking about the nursing, the research is a major force in nursing. The knowledge which is generated from the research is changing our profession, changing our practice, changing our education, changing the health policies even. And it is a evidence-based practice. So, what is mean by evidence-based practice? Evidence means proof. You have to test something. For example, now in the corona outbreak, everybody is confused. Every science or the researcher is confused. So they are testing many things. For example, BCG. BCG is a vaccine meant for the tuberculosis prevention. But now the scientists are testing this BCG for the coronavirus. So this is what we are doing, the new thing, new knowledge. The knowledge is generated. New knowledge will be generated in the research. So whenever there is a research, it is a science. Research word comes from the science. And what is meant by science? Science is a systematic. Science is a scientific, where the knowledge which makes the scientific method to acquire knowledge in the particular field of inquiry. It may be nursing, it may be medical, it may be engineering. But what we do in the research, we generate new knowledge. We generate new methods. We invent new product. Understand? So scientific method is a systematic collection of the data. So why it is called scientific? Because it is a systematic collection of the data. It is a theoretical treatment through the proper observation. And why it is a scientific? Because it is a systematic interrelationship of the facts. It is an experimentation. It is an observation. And it is a logical argument from the accepted postulates, and combination of these three in varying proportions means experimentation, observation, and logical arguments are the basis of the research. Understand? You must have seen in previous years that Newton invented something, Aristotle invented something, Graham Bell invented the telephone. Understand? So this is a new product. So, and how they have made this product? By experimentation, by observation, and by logical argument. So, in short, research is a scientific method. So, we'll go to the meaning of the research. Research means, now you got the idea, search again, to examine carefully. Research is a diligent, systematic inquiry or study to validate and refine existing knowledge and develop new knowledge. Understand? For example, now in same example we can take in the corona outbreak. The people are trying Ravividine, people are trying the hydroxychloroquine, people are trying some ashwagandha, Ayurvedic medicine. Understand? So all what they are doing, they are examining carefully, searching again, systematic inquiry, validate and refine the existing knowledge and develop a new knowledge. So after the testing, they will confirm that these medicines are very effective in treatment of the COVID-19. So research is an endeavor to discover the answer to the intellectual and practical problems through the application of scientific methods. You got my point? It is endeavor to discover answer to the intellectual and practical problem. Even in the day-to-day practical problems also can be solved by the scientific methods. So that has to be clear. So we'll now move towards the definition of research. So the new Webster Dictionary defines the research is, it is a critical and exhaustive investigation or experimentation having for its aim the discovery of new facts and their correct interpretations. Understand? For example, it is exhaustive investigation. For example, now same example we can take in the COVID-19, there is a lockdown situation. People are facing lot of problems. So we can investigate what the problems people are facing due to the lockdown situation. Maybe the social problem, maybe the educational problem, maybe the financial problem, maybe the some interactive psychological problems. So how we can do? With aim. So every research has to be some aim, and we have to discover the new fact. Understand? So that is research. C.C. Crawford defines the research. It is a systematic, refined technique of thinking employing specialized tool or instruments or procedure in order to obtain a more adequate solution of a problem there would be possible under ordinary means. Means it has to be specific, it has to be special investigation, special scientific methods to reach to the conclusion. That's what C.C. Crawford says. Another definition given by the French Ruth, research essentially is a problem-solving process. Problem solving. When there is a problem, we have to solve this. We have to find out the solution. Now the COVID-19 had come up. We have to find out the vaccine. We have to find out the medication. So it is a problem solving. Understand? The systematic, and how to solve the problem? Through the systematic and intensive study directed towards full scientific knowledge of the object studied. So that particular object, that particular things, subject or whatever the phenomena, variable has to be studied, and then only we have to come to the conclusion. Understand? So the nursing research, again, which is generalized definition, is given. Nursing research can be defined as systematic and rigorous collection. So first, in the earlier definition, what we have seen, the research should have the aim and objectives. First we have to find out the what is your aim of the find out. For example, now to identify a best medicine for COVID-19, if this is the aim, then we have to, what we have to do? We have to do the rigorous collection and analysis of data on the organization, delivery, uses and outcome of nursing care for the purpose of enhancing clients' health. It is not only about nurses do what nurses do, but what clients' behavior, knowledge, beliefs, attitudes, perceptions and other factors influencing how they make use of an experience, care and treatment. See, now this definition is focused for the nursing. So what is the nursing? Nursing is a care profession. So here we may not develop a product. We may develop, but we may not develop the product. But we can identify the behavior of the client with particular disease. For example, now the corona outbreak is there. We can find out what are the behavior of the patients in response to the corona, in response to the cancer, in response to the mental illness, knowledge, beliefs, attitudes, perceptions, and other factors influencing how they make use of an experience, care and treatment. Means, see, in our profession, we have to do the research which is focused on the patient. Maybe patient in the center, we can identify the knowledge, perception, attitudes, behavior, all other factors. We can check the records of the patient. Understand? Maybe retrospective. Yes, back. For example, how many normal deliveries conducted in particular hospital in the year 2019. Then what we have to do? We have to go back from January 1st, 2019 to December 31st, 2019. We will take all the delivered babies in the hospital, in the maternity home. And we have to analyze how many are normal, how many are cesareans, how many are having the episiotomy, how many stillbirth. Understand? This is called analytical view of particular problem. You got my point? So in this way, it is a systematic and rigorous collection of the data, analysis of the data, and interpretation of the data. So these are some of the things about the nursing research. Hope you understood what is mean by research, what is definition of the research given by the various authors. Thank you.